Hey, what do you know what to say? It's Lou. How you doing? I wanted to let you know that Video a Day in May is back. The annual 31 Flavors of Video is back this May. It's a great way to get up and running with video, to practice, to try out new tools, to check out all kinds of new cool AI stuff. So this year's Video a Day in May is going to have a special emphasis on AI tools and resources that make making video much easier and even, dare I say it, fun. So join us for the 31 Flavors of Video, also known as Video a Day in May. It's just $97, same as it was last year, same as it was the year before that, same as it was the year before that. And it is the best money you can spend if you want to get practice with video, if you want to learn new things about video, if you want to use AI. Some people call it cheating. I just call it a great shortcut and a great way to make more and better video. So join us. The link is below. We're going to have fun. There are weekly Q&A calls. There are prompts for you every day. You can do as much or as little as you want, but we're going to give you specific prompts and ideas for different kinds of videos to do so that you'll be able to test out different styles, different formats, different platforms, and all kinds of really cool, simple AI tools. Hope to see you there. Thanks.